Oh, 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 talk to me, yeah. Alone in a room, just me and you. I feel so lost, 'cause I don't know what to do. Now what if I choose the wrong thing to do? I'm so afraid of disappointing you. So I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today, when my world seems so cloudy. Guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart. Oh yes, my hopes and dreams are fading fast. I'm all burned out, and I don't think my strength is gonna last. So I'm crying out to you. Oh, I know you're the only one who is able to pull me through. So I know I need to talk to you, yeah, yeah, and ask you for your guidance, especially today, when my world seems just a little bit cloudy. Lord, you will guide me through, yes you will. I open up my heart, oh yeah, yes. So Lord, show me how to do things your way. Don't let me make the same mistakes over and over again. Your will be done, and I'll be the one to make sure that it's gonna get out. And that means I don't want any doubt. That's why I know I wanna talk to you. Yes, I do. And ask you for your guidance, especially today, when my world seems just a little bit cloudy. Lord, you will guide me through. And that's why I open up my heart, oh yes, my heart. I open up my heart, oh yeah, yeah.